Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Google Docs tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to make all caps in Google Docs or how to uncapitalize text in Google Docs. This is actually quite simple. To do this I first open Google Docs and here I already have a text that I want to make all caps and uncapitalize it afterwards. To do this I select the paragraph, go to Format, Text, Capitalization, and then find the formatting options here. Here we find lowercase, uppercase and title case. We now try this out for the uppercase to make it all caps and see that it works well. The same principle now works for lowercase. As we can see when I click on it, that's an easy way to uncapitalize my whole text in Google Docs. And if you want to start every word with a uppercase, just go the same way and use title case. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye!